It was completely spur of the moment, and and why would I have done something? I mean, as I said, actually what I said explicitly is that I would have always loved, and now I can. Before, obviously, we did get married.
Yes.
I did propose to Anne-Louise, she proposed to me, but it wasn't in a Republic of Equals. So what I was saying is, now that we have a Republic of Equals, that's what I want to do it again. Say, will you marry me? So that was, and as you know, Hugh, I mean, I suppose it was because of the initiation, our case, that it started that conversation that ultimately resulted. Nobody was talking about it then.
You must feel very proud that
feel very, very proud, great joy, and believe that. But learned a lot of things throughout the time. And probably one of the most important things is if you're really looking for that kind of significant cultural, political, economic change that you need to get, that it needs to be done with a wide sector of people, and that we all cross the line together.
When's the wedding? The second wedding?
Well, if you are, I'm sure, aware that we're kind of waiting in the Parliament to kind of bring forward the marriage bill, and so that needs to be enacted to implement the vote of the people prior to making any plans. But what we'd love to do is, we actually got married in mid-September, so we'd love to be able to celebrate that and bring the marriage home sometime then, if it's possible.